Your SWAT team, we no computer, we no tech program. No mix we your cheap talk. When you brand you will fresh like water, now you see sun. Your SWAT team, make it fly. I take case to that. SWAT team, make it fly now.
And fuck off of you. All right. Sorry, guys, I was a little sniffly today. All right, so because I don't want her on my page, let her come in on somebody else's page. That bitch ain't coming on my page today. Anyway, hey, Stormy, up, Stormy. Jesus. All right. So so I come to address 8. So how this all started is, I used to follow her. She was on live. Of course, I went on her live and talking about, um, Storm and Fred. So I said to her, I said, it sounded like you're a little jealous of them because just all the bullshit she was talking. And then she proceeded to go, no one asked her, she proceeded to go in her garage, see a Porsche, and she blocked me and told me to go suck my mama. So, all right. I don't argue with females. I just do what I do. This is what I do. So now she come at me again, and she basically ran with some information that we all know that was fake. When that Maltamasi guy had made that fake page of me and blew up this picture. Well, this is how I look. And then also was talking about I'm a senior citizen and I'm retired. As you can see, I'm not a senior citizen. I'm not retired. I'm still very active, still making my money, and doing all that good stuff. The thing is now is that I want her to. She basically was talking about not getting her hubby involved. Well, ma'am, your hubby is more a senior citizen than me. He's actually mute. How can a man be in his own house and can't fucking talk? You see, at any time when she wants to, she'll just say, "Hey, hubby, okay, hubby," okay. And all night you don't hear him. All you hear is moans. Matter of fact, this kind of sounds like an ape noise to me. But anyway, so yeah, where Candy at? With the Candy Lake Show. Come on, Candy. So yeah, so Ace, Sexy Dawn, Ace sis, what's going on? Yeah, we're addressing the ape here. For those who missed it, here is her entrance song. Here is the ape's entrance song. Yes, people. That's the Apes entrance song. All right, so now we're gonna wait a while to see if the ape responds back or not. I don't know. Did anyone send her the live? All right, I just gotta add a couple more people. People have been trying to follow. Let me just see if I can get them, add them real quick, fast. Confirm. All right, I just added a couple more people. All right, so where were we? So now we're gonna. Does anyone want to come on? Fred, you want to come on? Anyone want to come on? Let's see if I can see this here. Yes, I just add Suki. All right, add Fred. Did she Let's see if Fred. You know, guys, I know I'm not good at this, so let me see if I can add me. So Suki, I already added her, but I'm gonna see if I can add you. Go live. All right, just sent you the line, Fred. Fred, what's up, girl? Freaking looks done and ain't no get none.
I can't laugh enough. It's Candy, see, it's Candy there. Oh my God, the people them say them can't come in. All right, see me, I watch a couple of people are coming in.
Yeah.
Yes, it's Candy, I see you. Hold up, Drew.
Hold up, wait a minute.
Oh shit, look at the bitch in the back. Wait, Drew, wait. So why is she looking up in the sky like that? I'm scared that bitch gonna steal that TV. I'm scared she gonna try to steal that TV, bro. Why she watching that TV like that, bro? You gotta make sure you cut that bitch arm when she walking out. And her neck. I don't like the way she looking up in the sky. She about to steal the TV. She looking at the light fixtures and shit. Bitch, we gonna cut you the fuck up before you go to Canada. Yep, fierce. Yep, fierce.
Well, she's doing her
you know, one challenge yet. Do all on them. Yep, fierce. Remember, you said Candy now no money. Look, we are give free money over here. All we need to do is just see the porch. I clean, she a clean.
Yeah,
so she a clean, so you then she look up in the sky and who she talk to? God, the devil, or who? My mind tell me say the TV she watch, she say, should I clean it or should I teeth it? In general, what she do? You say I clean, she a clean. No, so I don't want she to clean my house. No way. Drew. So
yeah.
you really believe that this lady gonna come out? She's gonna say your money's fake. That's gonna be her next defense. Watch me.
Well,
that's what she said, Drew. I'm telling you, she's not Drew from 2018. This is going on. She came out and said, "Oh, she rich." Remember, she said she have 3 living room. I know me can't see it. The 3 living room, the big old white house with a nice milk white walls. Me still a wait for see. The house where she live in, I mean, like look like either they like them a yellow light, or they like them dark, or something. But me know something alright. People who see my house don't know the walls them already. The walls them too soon change, but they not change. You don't know that. Jesus Christ. When are you gonna come out, Ape Face? Ape Face. Let me ask you a question. When you're there, I come try face your ranking crutch with Candy. And I said, Candy can't steal a raisin.
Wait, hold on. She's saying something. Hold on. She can't talk. Blood clot.
Oh, no, let me answer her. Let me answer her. She there over here report, comment. Hello, and a fool fault make you ugly. So when you're over there balling and scream, it's not our fault. Blame your mother and blame your father. Your father didn't know say him ugly. Why he did go tell you that there with an ugly woman? That shit, woman, and we make you ugly. Hello, it's not our fault. Make Canada Zoo put you out. You're too blood clot, little bit of out of order. And it's not our fault. Make American Zoo don't want you. It's not our fault. Make Jamaica, make Canada. I put out mongrel. I put out ape and I take up mongrel dog. Move your dirty blood clot. You know, see how Canada want put you out and I take up mongrel dog from Jamaica. I feel fat that dirty pussy girl. Go suck your mother, bitch. Bitch, you want to get mad? I'm gonna make you get mad some more. Let me turn this camera around. Bitch, you think you mad yet? Oh, bitch. Did you see that tumor on my finger?
Boy, look on diamond.
Bitch, you didn't get mad yet. Ooh, did you see that? Did you see that? Did you? Did you? Did you? Did you? Did you? Fucking bitch. Ugly, you up your report. Come and go report your big dirty pussy. Report the dirty pussy we under you. Yeah, I said you are senior citizen. Joe, let me finish off here 1 minute, my friend. Yes, I'm a friend a senior citizen. You know, see, I'm a friend, you look. No, you go try friend him up. No, that you see him look, you go try friend him up. Make me blood clot tell you something, girl. Girl, remember say, Tony Anthony, Indian Martin, died at 57 years old. You never reached 50 blood clot 2-3 yet. So all am I gonna be senior citizen. I remember Anthony, what you call it, Indian Martin was fucking out your all. And him give you 2 fucking 1 monkey and 1 baboon, and you are the fucking ape. Okay? And don't forget the other little gorilla them where you have around all around, girl. Girl, go have a seat. When you talk about senior citizen, talk about Tony. Talk about your baby father was dead to blood clot at 57 and you're 38. How many years older than you? How many years this man is older than you? That's why you love to talk about senior citizen so much and talk about old man. Remember the man where you're having at the house when him walk him a deep like a blood clot old van. All butter ears blood clot crepe. Girl, where you go? And my friend, you come for your bride. Rubber Jew make a roll this cliff. Rubber blood clot. Lad, weed legal America. Jesus, nobody can't talk away.
Well,
Rubber, my friend. Wait, stop.
Well,
and stop up here, make stop. Hold on there. We have to kill 10 birds with 1 stone.
Well, this morning she was on her cooking, and I took a screenshot of what.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Excuse me, mate.
Yeah.
She doesn't cook, mate. It's called dog food, yeah?
I know.
She cooks for the fucking dogs.
Look, she brought some here. That's it right there.
Oh my
Look like
God.
dog food. You see that?
Did she bought her dog food?
Yeah.
Wow. Her up on that dog
see that,
food. I
people?
wonder why the kids them say them want to turn vegetarian and vegan. Me wouldn't want to eat
Blood
that.
clot dog food.
I am Gary. I'm so sure that Max and Ruth will not eat that.
Oh my God.
Wow. And then food they give people. Nobody no want that. Dolly Tutu, let's see where I go official she there. Oh my God, murder, Jude, this is not nice. God gonna sin us, yeah? God is gonna sin us, mate. Gotta go sin us with the dirty food. No, sir. Girl, go and go learn to cook. You clever say you teach my sister how to cook. Girl, you ever see my sister Tanya put up nothing like that pan internet? You after you fucking mad. Girl, I'm gonna go put up some food. Right? One time in the people in kitchen, I go put up food and show you all food fill up. Only because when I cook
show a good girl.
time. Yes, Daddy to be not lie. Girl, that food they don't look like food. That look like shit. Stop giving your kids shit for eat. All we want to do is for you to show the porch. We don't want to see the license plate. Because, bitch, don't forget, bitch, I sent you your license plate, ho. Bitch, you know, see, me make up a blood clot page. I'ma send it to you in a mountain. You know, see, me send you your license plate, bitch. Bitch, I send you your fucking license plate. You're lucky some of them on the phone here and I do live. If I would have show you your license plate, bitch, we're not asking you to show your license plate. All we asking you to do is just show. Hey, bitch, Eve, shut the fuck up. I know you want to go to the zoo. Yes, She wants to go to the zoo. Oh my God, look on the ear up in there watching on TV. And she look how big the TV is. And she think she's teeth the fucking light fixtures. Farm it up. Happy Easter, real Jedi. We have to go pray. We have to go pray. Suki,
Yes.
she asked for this. She asked for this. She asked for this bullshit. And I'm tired of these fucking bitches. And you know what, too? Let me go on to the next bitch real quick, Joe. So yesterday, you big hey, you know what I realized? When you bitches want a bus, y'all run, come and call Fred them SWAT team, Dr. Love. Leave us the fuck alone. Grizzly Bear, Grizzly Dinosaur. We gonna call Ape. We gonna call her Grizzly Ape. Her new name is not just Ape. She has to have a last name and a first name, yeah? So her name is Grizzly Ape, okay? And we could also call her a nickname, the Ape of Canada, okay? So don't forget, it's Grizzly Ape, guys. Please, when you're addressing this woman, you have to fix up her name and call her Grizzly Ape. Just like Amari, her idol is Grizzly Bear, and this one is Grizzly Ape. Yes, Jenna, we have to dress up this lady name and put a little respect to the lady name and call her Grizzly Ape. Right? So now we finish with the Grizzly Ape, aka the Ape of Canada. Now we're going to go to the Grizzly Dinosaur. Which the Grizzly Dinosaur is Amari. No, people. I am at my work and I see the Grizzly Bear. The Grizzly Bear, aka Grizzly Dinosaur. I go say she want me for in a jail for 25 years. Amari, you see how your skin look like when bulldog face drop down no blood clot. Omari, you look like a 1979 not to a 19 blood clot 80 or. You look like a $5 blood clot or we are trying to get a comeback where Estella, hey blood clot, Estella, you not get no comeback in a 2020. Omari, look how your blood clot skin look roll up and look like it in a one piece of shop when I go no blood clot with drunk. Nasty, dirty, stinking Omari, where your blood clot, you call me name for Venice function. You come talk about me, I go prison for 25 years. Girl, be careful what the blood clot you wish for. Remember, your little broad mouth, skin out mouth, blood clot, sheet pan line, sheet in a blood clot, win mouth data when name Destiny. Remember, say she love blood clot knife. So be careful. Be blood clot careful as she go prison for 25 years. Yeah, come talk about Dr. Love, I go catch corona. Remember your pussy have blood clot corona. Remember your pussy have blood clot corona if your pussy not gone away. If your pussy have how much blood clot felony, I eat no guard jail for 25 years, lady. What make you think say me I go? What make you think say Dr. Love I go? What make you think say Queen Olive I go? Remember, you see them big old blood clot dirty boot there where you have, but whether you could $5 or you go. $5 or where you go cheap dirty blood clot or where are you going? Imari, dirty sinking Venice function where the blood clot you go. Venice, me know say I'm a nice body you want, but you not get it. Venice, you not get my body. Venice, you're not getting this body, I swear to God. Hold on. Hold on, Venice, you're not.
Wait,
I get it. Hold on, Joe.
Okay.
Venice, you're not getting this body. Venice, no matter what you do, you're not get them body. You're not get it. You're not get it. Venice, you're not get it. You're not get me little face. You're not get me pretty hand. Venice, you're not getting me little body. Venice, you're not getting it. Go suck your mother. You hear me? Go suck your mother. Back to you now, Joe.
All right. We got to take a little station identification break.
Yes, Mr. Courtman. Yes, Jenna. Big dirty stinking moan. A girl I come talk about, you know, see the live what she do yesterday. I come talk about me, I go to jail. And this, no, Destiny's gonna go to jail and your fucking twins, bitch. Be careful what the fuck you wish for. You know, see you half dead. You know, your old prostitute. Me say, me don't know who address she. Girl, throw the blood clot Cinderella mirror where you have. That mirror they pass Cinderella. Down to the shoes, girl, you know see how you look. You know, see how you look. Yeah, come talk, but you're not going to have peace. People, let me tell you, you will never have peace until you come out and say the woman, your ex-husband's son, where you kill. Remember, you work Obi and kill him man, and kill a little boy, and guess what? You still not have the man. But them are half Chinese. If them are half Chinese, me a half blood clot white. I'm my first name a white, I'm my last name a white. But me a fraud. Say me use people ID. Tell her to bring out the ID when me use. Now she's so fucking dumb. These bitches is so dumb. What's up, sister? Then when you done, me put stuff on my page. The part when she said, oh, she can't wait for me for go to jail for 25 years. Remember, if you are pretty them love fight with blood clot knife. Hey, girl. Blood clot $5 or. Mary, your skin drop down like a blood clot bulldog. Oh, Mary, remember your pussy tongue. Remember your pussy long out and come like a blood clot runner. Mary, remember 13 pitney. You bring out your big dirty stinking blood clot pussy. Your pussy come like a tunnel. And when the man them going to your pussy no one in there, so they hear. People, don't forget to support the Candy Lake merch. The Candy Lake merch, people. We got to show these bitches. Let's support our small businesses because you see the grizzly ape of Canada is very upset that she cannot come out and wear a candy merch. All you got to do, bitch, you claim to say that you were selling stuff on YouTube. What were you selling? Your long pussy tongue? Eh? People look how long I don't see this girl when named dirty stinking Venice Function Omari. Omari, me I go rub out your long dirty stinking pussy tongue cause I do like this. When me done, me I go rub out your blood clot. Janet 16, big up yourself. Nasty stinking girl I come talk about say me. She want me to go to jail for 25 years. Omari, your pussy I go. Your pussy a big felony. It dirty and nasty. Go on, Jew.
All right. Well, the ape wants to take about a couple minutes to go bathe one of her kids.
Excuse me, you need to put a... Yes, be that fucker ugly. Yes, man. Be a Tajay. Tajay that. Look how Tajay beard. Tajay beard and wash your fucking eye good and stop wash out your mouth and dig out your nose. Me know say you have to dig out all of this. Something there where your mother put in your nose. Jesus Christ, Tajay. Wash your face good. So all you wash all your mouth. So you know wash under your arm, behind your ears, in your ears, your body wall. All you know is just this with people business. You dirty drunker, you watching. Oh God.
A dirty bungle them. Dirty bungle.
Shortbread, you got it wrong. She don't name Ape Sanders. No. She named Grizzly Ape. She's Grizzly Ape. No, that ear. Remember, so she not no ear, you know. Jew should have take the map and put the map on her ear. Remember, the woman no on her ear. And when she come out to talk about, I know my ear this. So I know my ear this. Girl don't even have a ear. Me tired of that blood clot girl every day get up and call me name. Me tired of her. Me say me tired of her. When I know she, you see, no cure the people let me cure me try to behave. Is somebody always come around here and I try to cause what's the name. Yeah, she named Grizzly Ape. You have to give her a right name, Grizzly Ape, because she loves Grizzly Ape. No, she don't win no PPE here. Let she stay right there. She don't need no protective gear. Let she stay right there.
All right, dirty bungle them.
Why? Peter John, big up yourself. Yep. We didn't say you don't live nowhere. There's no way you could have lived in Canada and you have kids and you don't live nowhere. What we said was the big white house where you're sure When you in the jacket, when you put on your jacket and the ugly boot, you look like your face. For you go buy a face. Well, a boot will look just like your face. So that means so when people look up and look down at the same thing, they must see. So therefore, is no mistake. And yeah, come talk about all the girls, them love me. You remember that video there where you do? We want to see you in the big, nice White House. That's all we ask for. We want to see you in the night in the White House, not only in the day. You come out, you get your little food, you buy grocery. The grocery net me can't full the fridge, can't full pantry. Yeah, sure that. Come on, everybody have grocery in them house, girl. It's food, it's necessity. We have to eat that. We have to eat that. That's what keep us going. And you're going to say Candy can't spell raisin. Let me go to you now. Your dear Candy spell raisin just like how she spell talking a Jamaican. But for you now, you cannot spell dairy. You put diary. And then you're going to say you put that for diary. How could you write a sentence and said it's organic grapes with dairy milk? Dairy-free milk. That's what you put, bitch. Dairy-free milk. Know how you mean to put dairy-free milk. And when we catch you in your nose spelling nurse, wannabe blood clot nurse. You're over there in the corner about grizzly dinosaur. We'll take you back to the zoo and the zoo refuse you. There's nothing else we could do for you. We want to go throw you in a water to save your camp. Look. Go back in the zoo. Go back in the wild. We have to go carry about Africa. We have to carry
She said it was a mistake because Daria Madar.
Me know say Daria Madar. Daria look a slim body and Madar. And because Daria no fuck out her latitude and her longitude, you're vexed. Because the girl still can't find her uterus. And because you can't find your blood clot uterus. Because Candy can't say her man come over and you can't say that you're vexed. You're vexed when you sit down right as a report. Come on, go report your dirty pussy. Go and go report the boy we kill Indian. Go and go report to the government. Say you pitney them fatherless. Say you have 2 fatherless blood clot pitney. And that you have to go report to the government. Go and go report that. Go and go report that. She might know a diary shape of mother. She has said, oh, diary pussy done. Oh, you know diary pussy done. No picking no slide out there. Yeah, man, stay in the corner and blood clot cry. Oh, tired and bright. You claim to say you have a life. And you are the one who do live. 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Remember, you say you have a restaurant and a pod. Drew, did you forget she have a restaurant and a pod? We still are waiting on the restaurant and pod. Because in a 2020, she get fair license in a December 2021. And we just in our, today the first of the month. We just in the first of the month. April. So I don't know how fair restaurant and how fair license to go and fair pub.
She said her restaurant is in her kitchen.
Report her restaurant. You look like a restaurant in her kitchen. And she come out and come talk about say she was selling stuff first and Candy did that for her. No, you were selling your pussy first. And Candy will and sell merchandise. That's the difference. You are selling pussy and Candy selling merch. She's selling clothes just like Louis Vuitton. Yeah, come talk about fella. Girl, do you know how many millions and thousands of fucking people on the internet selling clothes? People in a store are sell clothes on the street, everywhere. Yeah, come talk about nobody will follow you. Can you show a proof of receipt that somebody ever buy one piece of item from you? That's all I know why you come out and show one piece of receipt. Justice to the white people, them iPad. Girl, remember we have all of your life, them. Remember we have the big old, what you call it? The big old, what you call it? iPad, where you did show. We have the big old, what you call it, Stamia? The big old laptop, what you call it, computer sitting where she show. For the white people, them. Come out and show it. Girl, the Acer laptop where you have. Give back the board of education, them blood clot laptop. The silver Acer where you have. Me can go show you even have one. Evan have one. The Mac, the iMac. The Mac there, yes. The big old people Mac there where you're showing at them house. The Acer laptop belongs to Canada school. Stop fucking lie. But say all of the other people them have MacBook and you give the younger one them Acer. No. Stop lying. The Acer belong to the fucking school, you lying bitch. Come out, come show. Remember, we don't know, say your name, Ocean Nicole Sanders, a.k.a. Grizzly Ape. Come out, come show your diploma. You're there at work. Come out and show your ID. A nurse not supposed to show ID. All we ever ask you for is, you know, have a video the name of the hospital, just video the hospital. Oh, come you a nurse. I would hear a client, a patient, have to tell you where is the gas. Are you fucking kidding me? When you a nurse, just like how you see you're there for your cleaning cat, sit down right now. When you a nurse and you go give the people their medication, you come with a cat just like that. We have everything. We come with the name of the chart, how much the medication, how much dose them forget, what time they're supposed to get the dose. And you go tell them I go come in and them gonna say, good morning, Mrs. Grizzly Ape. How are you today? And them gonna tell you, oh, Grizzly Ape, you're gonna get some ibuprofen, 200 milligram. Oh, what's your name? Are you gonna say, yeah, are you Grizzly Ape? Are you gonna turn around and say, yes, I am Grizzly fucking Ape? So the blood clot, yeah, they come talk about, girl. You're a wicked, dirty blood clot. A cleaning cat, you have nothing no wrong. Nothing no wrong with your cleaning cat, you know. Nothing no wrong with it, but don't try to be what you're not, honey. It's okay. It's okay that you wanted to be a nurse and you never be a nurse because you may come take over the whole of your blood clot brain. Stop suck wood, man. Stop suck wood. And then you come will not cover your brain. You would have gone to school go learn a little something. It's a dog shit. You are Omari are the same thing. Every day you have big surfy ticket and you can't pronounce word like the blood clot self. You have a seat, man. Take a little job on have and get a little money. You have a profile on the net where you are a fucking cleaner. Nothing wrong with a cleaner. You put up restaurant. From when you say you have restaurant, no care me I look for the restaurant. Hello, I want to send what you call it. Candy Lake want to come to the restaurant and sit down and have a drink. The blood clot, you can you come spend some Candy Lake merch money in your restaurant, man. People don't forget to support the Candy Lake merch. Please support the black business, Candy Lake merch. Support the business.
Candy Lake would say.
Yes. And justice
hold
for the
on,
pool. Remember, we still have the picture of them where you put up on the pool. Justice for the pool. Put up the pool. I come run you can't get the people them us. In Grizzly Ape. Oh, Jesus. Just for the people them pool. You can't go there just to see the people them pool. Is a dog shit. If it's a plastic pool where you have, take time and be satisfied with it.
Hold on. She said she has something to show us. She got something to show us. Hold on. She said she's gonna show the medical certificate because she will need $5,000. So hold on, let's get it from her. All right. All right, guys, here it is. Here's a certificate. Can everybody see it?
Oh, see,
Canada Nursing Association, Ape Grizzly.
Exactly.
That's a certificate.
Yay! Congratulations. We saw our surfing ticket. Grizzly Ape. Somebody come, we want to see the pool. We want to see the pool. Girl, remember, you're good at splicing and dicing video. We don't want to see the kids their face. We know so them are ape already. We know they baby ape. We already know that. We don't want to see their faces. We don't want to see and pencil.
Sweet Lord. Lord, forgive me for what I have done.
Yeah, surfing ticket. Remember, I know. You say you have files. From 2018, you are coming with files, and all the files you come with, we still are wait. We still are wait. Remember, you say you come with deportation paper for people, you come with your file. Girls, let me tell you, pressure bus pipe and weight is very heavy. Nobody have no time for you. Wait. Come dash out the file. Just like how we dash out the file, say your baby father dead, and I eat making you want come per line, come cry. I eat making you cry. And you couldn't go to the funeral. And your baby father did never have the money for bury him. Family them hungry and poor in a blood clot. Dog shit. Yeah.
Yeah, she's gonna come up with my file now.
What file she gonna come up for you, Joe?
I don't know.
Old man, and our baby father older than
I don't
you.
know. She said if I come back at her, she got a file on me. She gonna come out with. So
well, make she come out to the file. We are waiting
yeah.
for the file. Joe, what we are gonna do? Just push out our cat, make she throw the file in that there garbage sitting there.
And then she's talking about she want to get her husband involved. Well, I want to get her husband involved. I want to do
Listen to me. What
a
husband?
challenge.
Joe, the man no live at the place. The man only go there to just see a little so he can get him bars there and stuff.
Where your husband there? Come on. Challenge for your husband. Push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where you up there? Come on. 5.
She not talk. Joe, tell her.
Push-up challenge.
If she come at you, you come rub out her dead baby father Anthony. What she call a senior citizen? I am gonna make sure know say he was 3 hours away from senior citizen, not even 3 years, 3 hours away. You make sure know that. Tell her say the senior citizen. Tell her about Anthony Martin. And that's why you come rub her out about Anthony. She ever come after you, you come after Anthony. Wicked. So make sure know that. If she ever try come out for you, my friend, you come out for Anthony. Wicked. She too altered and bright. And that's why she needs to go talk to Anthony Martin. Look at me pretty when we wake up. What? Eh? In Candlelight merch, she too altered and bright. But she come talk about dairy-free milk. Eh? Oh, you have to say dairy-free. You say you spell raisin just like how you spell raisin, you like how you talk, like how you pronounce it. And she would have fresh self I come talk but you can't read. And then she go over there go say dairy-free milk instead of dairy-free milk, dairy-free. Eh? And I come talk about you that write it for diary. You too fucking lie. Eh? We have Anthony Fowler, it will want come dust off under your blood clot. Eh? Where you couldn't go to the funeral in nasty girl. And Anthony family have to pick up money. Why Anthony and your baby father? Why you never donate some of the money? Eh? See. You know Candy Lake cash up. Go dash something on the Candy Lake since you have money. Candy never tell us that she have money. You know, say I work, and no chicken she a jerk. Go suck your mother. Where? You come talk about under girl. Under your pussy beat out. Remember how much picking you push out tight, you know, girl. Go from your so. Dog shit. You can't talk about nobody. Why you have to do that? Why you do it, drunk girl? Why the fuck you do it? Why you want to come over here come talk about people? You're out to hard and fucking bright. Every day you get up on people name. And I come talk about you're tired. A person that tired will not be coming on the internet every fucking day and come and say, oh, I'm not staying long with you now. Come every 2 and daily for 2, 3 fucking hours. Go get a life, man. You need a fucking life. You need a life. You see people business. Nothing wrong if you want to go sell. Don't worry, can delete now. Go sell nothing. Can nobody now go buy from you anywhere. It's nobody's gonna buy from you. Remember, you did say you have a store under your fucking step in your dirty basement, and the store look like worse than fucking Salvation Army and Goodwill put together to rascal. I say you sell lip gloss. I say nobody now buy from you, girl. Nobody wants to buy anything from you. You have to have merchandise like Candy Lake merch. When you have merchandise, yeah, I like Shimmer more. You know, Miss Yamabella. You gotta have merch like that. If you don't have merch like that, you can stay in the corner and squeal all the fuck you want. That's your business. It's okay. You don't have any banana, Drew? Drew, you have no banana?
No, she
She ate it all.
She ate the banana already this morning.
Oh, so give her dog food, and if you put on her dog food in front of her.
Yeah, hold on there. Yeah, that's good.
Put her dog food in front of her, tell her she's the only one that's gonna eat it.
What's her dog food there?
That's her dog food. She's the only one that's gonna eat her dog food, people. Look.
Hey, here. Have a beer with it.
Yes.
Wash down the dog food.
This stuff them like it take me say Candy Lake. No, she named Grizzly Ape Candy Man. You have to give the woman her right name. I'm gonna put some respect on the woman's stuff. Grizzly Ape. We eat your bad mind and kill you. Move your dirty blood clot. Your bad mind girl for the pussy. You come talk about because nobody know what name your dirty pussy. Your pussy smell like Coronation Market. All butter blood clot girl. You see how your head look like fucking patio map. Move your dirty blood clot. Pack up and back up from this blood clot. You say you claim for, you say you come to come claim your blood clot grizzly ape face when nobody know what. Every time when the people them enter the zoo, once them see them start to run out the blood clot. That's why the zoo have to put out your dirty blood clot because they can't make the money. Go from here. Tara Rebel. That's Grizzly Ape. That's Ape Sanders. She call herself Love Sanders, but she named Grizzly Ape. One dirty woman from Canada. We call up my blood clot name from 28, you know, we don't even see. That shit, woman. Over there, so you come in at the house, you claim to say you make. If you make little food, you have to put it online like you never see come see. You have your ESI computer will belong to the school, where the people then lend you for free. You come up and come lie and I tell, like girl, go have a seat. You have people in Canada who live in Canada where them have the same fucking laptop. Girl, them they are cheap laptop in a store. Let me tell you, laptop and tablet and them something they know cheap because they know say, yo, 90% of people that do things on their phone. You understand? Nobody don't really care if you have laptop, tablet, iPad, and then something them no more. You just have them just to fucking have them. You understand? Get the fuck out of here. You're a fucking liar. Every day you claim to say you're a nurse. If you was a real nurse, when you come home, you will be so tired. You will be picking up extra shift. But because Canada kind of closed down and you can't go in and nobody else go clean, when you come out, you have on goggles like your blood clot. Get ready to go jump in a dirty water and go be in a dirty hole. Move your blood clot. You have on goggles. Where you going in goggles, woman? Which nurse in a nursing home wear goggles? Where you N95 mask there? Eh? You know, no N95 mask, you come out to your goggles like you are get ready to go swim. What the fuck do you? Where you going? What's wrong with you? It's okay that you wanted to be that it didn't happen. It's all right. It's okay. Don't get mad. You know, see, Dottie stinking Omari said she did what? She a nurse, she a liar, she a all different kind of something. You understand? Go and go sit down, man. No stop tell fucking lie. Not too much now. Not too fucking
It not get none, nana. It not get none. That bitch look worse than Shaka Zulu, if you ask me. Hey, that's her entrance song for now. From now on, that's her entrance song.
Yep, dead. Yep, dead. You go your Jew. You go your she come later say she a rub you out.
I don't give a fuck.
Yeah.
Ask me if I give a
Robot,
fuck. I don't give a fuck. She don't know nothing about me. She can run with all the shit she hear from Motamasi. Because that's where she got it from. The picture, the senior citizen, I'm retired.
Hello,
Bitch.
can't nobody sing a city. You know what is so cute? We cuss her and talk about. Baby father Martin, she not coming out and say a word. Please. Not coming out and say a word. You don't understand.
See, she's a push button. She go with everything she hear. Push button.
She more than a push button. Girl lie and wicked every day she come home. Oh, I'm so tired. I'm coming from work. You're not coming from no work. Lady, stop tell lie. There's no way you do how many shifts and you come home and you're there for live and then you go call people careless. You are the one that careless. Look for when we not do a live. You see a bad man, you come over and want to report page. Bitch, just like how you report, you're going to report your page too. You're going to report your page, you're pussy that say you have to run and turn it private. As you come live, you have a page, sit down for your page, me and lick it blood clot, watch me and you. Gonna make you have problem for signing every fucking minute, watch. Dog shit. Eh? You change the Gmail. You change Gmail from 10gmail.com. Dog shit. Watch me and you.
Fucking Shaka Zulu. Shaka Zulu, she favor Shaka
Grizzly, yeah.
Zulu. Shaka Zulu, she favor Shaka Zulu.
Yeah, she can. That's all she do. She know for just black people.
8%. Yeah.
Like she did. Yo, Mr. Joe, when you went
Yeah.
over there, cuss you and I go on. Mr. Joe, I go over there with 2 pages and the dirty bitch half a black me. She half a black. She just me not understand. Bitch, you open up your page and I see we storm that blood clot. I make you have to lift up off of Instagram. We are storm your page. But you're pussy, you have to run. That's how you can do run and a private your page. And then your black people when they come out to your page and attack. It's a
And the
fucking
black and
idiot.
queen that.